A $100 XRP is happening in the next 24 hours. That's what you're seeing right now. Everybody and their mothers in the XRP community is talking about XRP going to 100, 200, even I'm hearing $700 in the next 24 hours. And if you're asking yourself, why is that happening? Well, it's because a YouTuber's been pushing this, and it's gotten pretty big. We're like literally, I think legitimately everybody thinks that that's going to happen. And I just want to make a video real quick and hop on here just to tell you guys, stop. All right, like, look, I am so bullish on XRP. If you've been on the IG, which if you're not, follow, I post all my plays there. I have literally been so bullish on XRP. That's literally all I've traded for damn near a year. But I'm not a fool, right? And one thing I preach all the time on there is realistic price predictions. And I've had a lot of price predictions that went through this year, just like all-time highs, just like, you know, damn near $4. And I've had some that missed. But you got to keep pushing. And in my opinion, I think realistic price targets like 5, 10, 15, 20, those are the ways that you're going to get rich, is by preparing for those short-term price targets, right? Like, I would be a billionaire tomorrow if XRP went to $100. And I'm sure that's what everybody watching this is probably thinking as well. But be realistic. That's the only way you're going to make money in this shit, dog. I'm trying to tell you. So look, I really am bullish. I really do think that XRP is going to have a phenomenal 2026. But mark my words, XRP to $100, it's not happening tomorrow. I just really want to make this video because there's a lot of people that are going to get their hopes up, and then they're inevitably going to be really sad tomorrow, and it's just not worth it, man. We see a lot of crazy price targets every year. We've seen a $500,000 Bitcoin, $1 million Bitcoin, and guess what? At the end of the day, it's still the same price, right? So I'm bullish. Let me know what you think. Let me know your price target for 2026. If you guys want to see all of mine, I posted a video, I literally think it's my last video, on all of my price predictions for 2026. And I'm really, really bullish. So yeah, if you want to see every play that I take all year long, then be on the IG. I post every single play there, and I will keep you informed on the real price targets, because there is a lot of noise in the space, and it's easy to get caught up in it. But, you know, I'm not mad about price predictions or people getting excited. I really want people to be realistic with this shit, because at the end of the day, if you're realistic, for the most part, XRP will probably do better. We don't sound so fucking crazy. Yeah, I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Just want to hop on here real quick.